I imagine that everybody, like you guys, are dreaming of time freedom and financial independence. Would you agree with that?
Yes.
Yeah. So I think it's time for you to have your chance. And the way that I would recommend it, and tell me if you like this, is go to wealthyatlast.com and get a free blueprint. It's 6 months. In 6 months, you'll be making six figures. Of course, if you don't work it, then you're making nothing. But we're going to give you a step-by-step system of exactly how to do that.
And there's nothing better than a blueprint because it's all done for you.
Mhm.
It'll give you all the steps to take. You don't have to think about it. You just plug and play as we've done, and you find that it's a wealth of information and a wealth of money
Yeah.
coming to you.
Yep. I think so too.
Yep.
And yeah, thanks for saying that because I think I said something else, and so you made it better. Yeah. So, okay, as always, you get tips or affirmations. The affirmation is, I am deserving of all the wealth and happiness life has to offer. I am deserving. I'm deserving. I'm worthy. You are worthy of all the wealth and happiness that life has to offer.
That's a good one. I know exactly what I want and I attract it effortlessly.
Say it again.
I know exactly what I want and I attract it effortlessly.
Hmm.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, and you know what? It's really true with wealthyatlast.com. You're just going to go there, you get your free blueprint, and you'll join a community of 26,000 people who are entrepreneurs just like you, people that have absolutely, no experience doing anything like this, maybe even no tech experience,
Right.
and they're crushing it.
Yeah, people who've never even had a TikTok account, like us, started a TikTok account like right away and started plugging into the system. And it's an amazing experience once you realize how easy it's done for you. And you only have to put in 2 hours a day.
Oh yeah, that's really important.
That's it.
We just talked about time freedom and financial freedom.
We did, and 2 hours a day is nothing.
Nothing. And it's not MLM, no selling, no rejection. So
Easy.
anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. As always, please subscribe, tell your friends. We're wanting to grow our channel because we have a goal of helping 100 people a month become financially free, and we can't do that without you. So thank you.